Students, today we will discuss lesson 50, and that is active and passive voice. Okay, so the sentence has a voice. Sometimes it is active and sometimes it is passive. When the subject of a verb is the doer of an action, the verb is said to be in the active voice. Look at the definition carefully. And now a verb is in the passive voice when it tells us what is done to a person or thing. The subject is the receiver of the action in the passive voice. Okay? So you can see some sentences. Read the following sentences carefully. The magician took his hat. Okay? Understood? The magician is the subject and hat is the object. So when we make it passive, what happens? Hat takes the place of the subject and magician takes the place of the object. Okay? So the elephant ate the bananas. Okay? Look at this sentence. The bananas were eaten by the elephant. Okay? Here the elephant and Nina are the subjects. Nina typed the application. The application was typed by Nina. Okay? So you can see the subject takes the place of object and object takes the place of subject. And in some sentences we use by to make it passive. Okay? And in some sentences we use been with has, have and had to make it passive. Okay? So have a look. The magician took his hat. A hat was taken by the magician. Okay? He kept it on the table. It was kept on the table by him. He pulled out a rabbit. A rabbit was pulled out. Okay? So in these sentences you might have learned that subject takes the place of object and object takes the place of subject when we change from active voice to passive voice. Okay? Now have a look at the examples and try to identify that what is active voice and what is passive. A. Read the following sentences and write whether they are in the active or passive voice. Underline the verb in each sentence. Okay? So students, the first sentence. The king crowned the prince as his successor. So the voice of the sentence is active. Your mother teaches science. Again, the voice of the sentence is active. And in both the sentences, crown and teaches are the verbs. Third, people elected him as their representative. Okay? Elected is the verb and the voice of the sentence is active. Fourth, the sheep was chased by the wolf. This is a passive because you can see that by is used, okay, to complete the sentence. Grandma narrated a story. The voice of the sentence is active. The children loved Jawaharlal Nehru. The voice of the sentence is active and loved is the verb in the sentence. Penicillin was discovered by Alexander Fleming. By is used here, so the sentence is passive. The voice of the sentence is passive. The song was composed by A.R. Rahman. By is used and composes the verb in the sentence and it is a passive sentence. Okay? B. Refer to the table on pronouns and change the following sentences into the passive voice. First, he sold the house. Okay? Now look at the answer sentences. The house was sold by him. Okay? Second, she caught the butterfly. Okay? The butterfly was caught by her. Okay? Understood? Third, you packed the bag. Okay? Now look at the answer sentence. The bag must be packed by you. Okay? Fourth, they are constructing a new bridge. A new bridge is being constructed by them. 5. She is washing clothes. Clothes are being washed by them. Whenever there is ing form in the verb, we use being to make the sentence passive. Okay? 6. They are painting the fence. The fence is being painted by them. Why we have used being? Because there is an ing form in the verb. She broke the vase. The vase is broken by her. Okay. I embroidered a sari. A sari is being embroidered by me. Okay. Or you can say a sari is embroidered by me. Okay. Now have a look at exercise C. Change these sentences in the passive voice and give two passive forms for sentences second and third. Okay. First, they compelled Raman to leave the house. Okay. So have a look at the answer sentence C. 1. Raman was compelled to leave the house by them. Understood? Now have a look at the second sentence. Mother presented a purse to me. Okay. So we have to make it passive. So look at the answer sentence. A purse was presented to me by my mother. Okay. Or it can be I was presented a purse by mother. Understood? You have to give two passive forms for sentences second and third. Look at the question sentence. Mrs. Nalini teaches us English. Okay. So look at the answer sentence. Third. English is taught to us by Mrs. Nalini. Or we are taught English by Mrs. Nalini. Understood? Now look at the fourth sentence. Rama has drawn this cartoon for me. Okay? Look at the answer sentence. This cartoon for Rama was drawn by me. Okay? And look at the last sentence, fifth. He compelled her to attend the function. Okay? She was compelled to attend the function by him. Okay? So now we'll come to exercise D. Have a look. Look at exercise D, children. Fill in the blanks with the passive form of verbs given in brackets. The students are informed about the change in timetable. Inform is the verb given in the bracket. So second, the patient is admitted to the ICU after the doctor's recommendation. Helping verb admit is given in the bracket. The guests are expected to reach the venue on time. Expect is the helping verb given. 4. All the doors are locked at night. Lock is the helping verb given. 5. By whom is the vegetable biryani prepared? Okay. So prepare is the helping verb given. Understood? Now we will have a look at exercise E. And what is that? Change these sentences from active to passive voice. Derek O'Brien conducts a quiz for the children of a school once every month. Okay? Look at the answer sentences, students. 1. A quiz for the children was conducted by Derek O'Brien once every month. Okay? Second. Does the doctor give you strong medicines? Okay. Look at the answer sentence. Are you given strong medicines by the doctor? Okay. So whenever you will change an interrogative sentence from active to passive, you will have to put a mark of interrogation when you will make it passive. Okay. Third. Who plays the Casio? Okay. By whom is the Casio played? Okay. Mark of interrogation. It is passive. 4. The chef cooks exotic dishes every day. Answer sentence 4. Every day exotic dishes are cooked by the chef. Okay. 5th. The teacher encourages children to perform well. Okay. Children are encouraged to perform well by the teacher. Understood? F. Change the following sentences from the active to passive voice. 1. The company is launching a new project. Okay? Look at the answer sentence. A new project is being launched by the company. Okay? Second. Are you preparing vegetable soup for dinner? Okay? Second. Is vegetable soup for dinner is being prepared by you? Okay? Understood? Third. Why is she hitting the dog? Third. Is the dog being hitten by her? Is the dog being hitten by her? Fourth. The principal is explaining the new rules to the students. Okay? Fourth. The new rules to the students are being explained by the principal. Okay? So we have made it passive. Now have a look at the last sentence. She is checking the papers. And the answer sentence is, the papers are being checked by her. Understood, children? Why we have used being? To make it passive. And because there was an ing form in the active sentence, in the verb. So whenever there is ing form with the verb in active voice, we have to use being for making it passive. Look at exercise G. Change the following sentences from the active to passive voice. First, that car has hit an old man. Okay? Look at the answer sentence. First, an old man is hit by the car. Okay? Second, the principal has appointed him the head boy. Okay? He was appointed the head boy by the principal. Okay? Third, has he told you the real story? It is an interrogative sentence. So look at sentence 3. Is the real story told to you by him? Put a mark of interrogation because it is an interrogative sentence. So put a mark of interrogation while making it passive. Okay? 4. The gardener has pruned the bushes. Okay? The bushes are pruned by the gardener. Understood? Now look at the last sentence. Who scattered the garbage here? Look at the answer sentence. It is also an interrogative sentence. By whom is the garbage scattered here? Understood? H. Fill in the blanks with the passive form of verbs in the simple past sentence. First, the event is sponsored by a popular brand of fast food. Sponsor is the helping verb given here. Second, she told to clean the house properly. Tell is the helping verb given here. Okay? Third, a classical song was presented by the singer. Present is the helping verb given in the bracket. 4. The formula was taught by the teacher. And teach is the helping verb given here. So what kind of sentence it is? It is passive because by is used. Okay. The players were honored by the minister in a public function. Honor is the verb given here in the bracket. And it is a passive sentence because by has been used. Understood? Now we'll move to exercise I. Change these sentences from the active to passive voice. The artist showcased the paintings at the art gallery. Okay? So look at the answer sentence. At the art gallery, the paintings were showcased by the artist. Okay? Second, the policeman questioned the suspicious looking man. Second, the suspicious looking man was questioned by the policeman. Look at sentence 3. Who declared the result for the competition? Okay. By whom was the result of the competition was declared? Okay. By whom was the result? By whom was the result of the competition was declared? Put a mark of interrogation. Okay. So it has become passive. Now look at the fourth sentence. Did he take your permission before he left? It is also an interrogative sentence. So make it passive. Was the permission taken by him from you before he left? Put a mark of interrogation. Okay. So to make it passive. Fifth. Look at the question sentence. My brother gave me an iPod for a day. Okay. I was given an iPod for a day by my brother. Okay. Understood? So students, in active passive we will read exercise J. Look at the instruction. Change these sentences from active to passive. First, the audience was laughing at the clown. Now look at the answer sentence here. The clown was being laughed by the audience. Okay. Second sentence, look here. She was supporting the villagers during the discussion. Okay. Look at the answer sentence. Second, during the discussion, she was being supported by the villagers. Okay. Third sentence, have a look at the third sentence. Was he writing the biography of Lata Mangeshkar? Okay. Was the biography of Lata Mangeshkar was being written by him? Okay. Fourth, look at the fourth sentence, children. Fourth, the teacher was demonstrating an experiment. Okay. Look at the answer sentence. Children, I have done the fourth sentence at last. So pay attention. Fourth, an experiment was being demonstrated by the teacher. Okay. Fifth sentence. Were you painting the door? It is an interrogative sentence. Now look at the answer sentence. Fifth, was the door being painted by you? Okay. So the answer sentence is also interrogative. So you put a mark of interrogation after you. Okay. Was the door being painted by you? K. Rewrite these sentences in the passive voice. The woodcutter had felled many trees in the forest. Okay. K. 1. Many trees had been felled by the woodcutter in the forest. Okay. Second sentence. Father had advised me to carry a torch as it was dark outside. Okay. Look at the answer sentence. I was advised to carry a torch by father as it was dark outside. Third sentence, have a look. Had you taken my woolens to the hill station? Okay, it is an interrogative sentence. Now look at the answer sentence, children. Are the woolens to the hill station taken by you? Put a mark of interrogation. Whenever there is an interrogative sentence, you will put a mark of interrogation at the end, even if you make it passive. The same you did in the fifth sentence of J, exercise J. Right now, look here, a mark of interrogation at the end, because the sentence was interrogative. So when you make it passive, the mark of interrogation will remain same. Now look at the next sentence. His friend had explained the theorem clearly. Okay, look at the answer sentence 4. The theorem had been clearly explained by his friend. Okay, the theorem had been clearly explained by his friend. Next, fifth and the last sentence. I had polished the shoes at night. Now look at the answer sentence. At night, the shoes had been polished by me. Okay, at night the shoes had been polished by me. Okay. L. Rewrite these sentences in the passive voice. 1. People will follow the leader in the years to come. Look at the answer sentence. L. 1. The leaders would be followed by the people in the years to come. Okay. Look at the second sentence. Second, how will they cross the desert in this hot summer? Okay. Look at the answer sentence. Second, in this hot summer, how would the desert be crossed by them? Okay. Third, when will she throw a party for her friends? Okay. Answer sentence 3. When a party for friends would be thrown by her. Okay. 4. The loud music will disturb my neighbor. Okay. 4. My neighbor would be disturbed by the loud music. Okay. 5th. I will borrow your pen later. Look at the answer sentence. Later your pen would be borrowed by me. Okay. Look at exercise M. Change these sentences from active to passive. They will have disturbed the forms by Saturday. Okay. Look at the answer sentence. The forms would have been distributed by them by Saturday. Okay. Second, she will have washed the dishes before evening. Okay. Second, before evening the dishes would have been washed by her. Okay. Third, will they have closed the gates before 9 p.m.? Third, will the gates be closed by them before 9 p.m.? Okay. Fourth, the birds will have built the nest in the next few days. Fourth, the nest would have been built by the birds in the next few days. Okay. Now look at the last sentence, children. Fifth, the train will have carried many passengers before it reaches its final destination. Okay. Fifth, many passengers would have been carried by the train before it reaches its final destination. Okay. Now we'll move to exercise N. Exercise N. Change these sentences from active to passive. Look at the first sentence, students. She ought to pay the house tax on time. Look at the answer sentence. The house tax on time is ought to be paid by her. Okay. Look at the second question sentence. May God bless you with great success. Now look at the answer sentence. She was blessed with great success by me. Okay? She was blessed with great success by me. Okay? Now look at the third question sentence. Can you prepare a detailed map of the region? Okay, it is an interrogative sentence. Look at the answer sentence. Could a detailed map of the region be prepared by you? Okay. 4. Can you iron the clothes today? Now look at the answer sentence. Could 4. Could the clothes be ironed by you today? Okay. Now look at the last fifth sentence. Can you narrate a story to the child? Okay. Look at the answer sentence. Could a story be narrated to the child by you? Okay. Look at exercise O. Rewrite the following sentences in the passive voice and change the tense form of the verbs accordingly. Okay. The first sentence. He founded this institute last year. Okay. Now look at the answer sentence. Last year, this institute was founded by him. Okay. Second, they built this hospital in 1985. Look at the answer sentence. In 1985, this hospital was built by them. Okay. Third, the minister distributed food packets to the flood victims. Okay. The food victims were distributed food packets by the minister. Okay. 4. The policeman caught the thieves. Now look at the answer sentence. 4. The thieves were caught by the policeman. Understood? 5th. The baker has baked cookies. Now have a look. The cookies has been baked by the baker. Okay? The cookies has been baked by the baker. 6. The old man was making kites. The kites were being made by the old man. Okay? Look at the 7th sentence, students. She will make a greeting card. Look at the answer sentence. A greeting card would be made by her. Okay? A greeting card would be made by her. 8. The iron smith has been making iron tools. Now look here. At 9 I have done the 8th sentence. Okay? 8. The iron smith had been making iron tools. Okay? Now look at the answer sentence. The answer for the 8th question sentence is at 9 here. Okay? Iron tools had been made by the iron smith. Okay? 9. The boy had eaten an egg. Now look at the answer. It is at 8. An egg had been eaten by the boy. Okay? Look at the last sentence of exercise O. A little lamb had followed Mary. Okay? Look at the answer sentence. Mary had been followed by a little lamb. Understood? Now this was exercise O. Now we'll move to exercise P. Students, look at question sentence 11 of exercise O. Mother was knitting a sweater yesterday. Okay? Mother was knitting a sweater yesterday. So now have a look at the answer sentence here. Now look at the answer sentence 11. A sweater was being knitted by my mother yesterday. Okay? Now look at the last sentence of exercise 12. That is 12. John Keats wrote Ode to a Nightingale. Okay. Now look at the answer sentence 12. Ode to Nightingale, it's a poem by John Keats. Ode to Nightingale was written by John Keats. Okay, understood? Now we'll move to exercise P. Coming to exercise P, have a look students. Change the following into passive voice. Now the first sentence is, which house did they paint? Okay, now look at the answer sentence P. First one, which house was painted by them, and put a mark of interrogation at the end. Children, whenever you change an interrogative sentence into passive, there is always a mark of interrogation at the end. Okay. Second, when did you eat breakfast? Okay, look at the answer. When the breakfast was eaten by you, put a mark of interrogation because it was an interrogative sentence. Third, who threw the ball at Nita? Okay, it is also interrogative sentence. Third, look at the answer sentence. By whom was the ball thrown at Nita? Put a mark of interrogation. Fourth, look at the question sentence. Did you post the letter? Okay, it is also interrogative sentence. Now look at the answer sentence. Fourth, is the letter posted by you? Okay, now fifth one, does he like movies? Okay, look at the answer sentence. Fifth, are movies liked by him? Okay. Sixth, did Kirit take all the books? It is also interrogative sentence. Look here. Sixth, are all the books taken by Kirti? Okay, it is also interrogative sentence. 7. Does he recite poems? Okay, it is also interrogative sentence. 7. Are poems recited by him? Okay, put a mark of interrogation because it is an interrogative sentence while changing into passive. Okay, now have a look at the last sentence. Okay, last sentence of exercise P. Who composed this song? 8. By whom is this song composed? Okay, put a mark of interrogation. Okay, so you might have learned how to change from active to passive. Okay, students, now we'll move to the last exercise, and that is the look at exercise Q, the last exercise of active passive. Read the following passage and fill in the blanks with the passive form of verbs given in brackets and make delicious sandwiches at home. I think you might be liking to eat, you might be loving to eat sandwiches. So I expect that you will definitely enjoy this exercise because each and everybody is fond of sandwiches, including me. So I think that you will like this exercise and you will enjoy it, and you will try to prepare sandwiches at home. So look at this exercise. Fresh slices of bread are taken, butter is spread on the slices. Cucumber and tomatoes are washed before they are peeled. The slices are placed on the buttered slices. The edges of the bread slices are cut. After salt and pepper is sprinkled on the slices of vegetables. The sandwiches are eaten fresh or packed to be taken along. So students, now finally coming to conclusion or completing the chapter, after completing the exercises, I would like to explain you that what is the funda for making active to passive. Okay, what is the formula? The subject takes the place of the object and by is added to make it passive. Okay, suppose there is a sentence, Mohit killed a snake. Mohit is the subject and snake is the object. So what will be the passive form of this sentence? I am telling you, a snake was killed by Mohit. Okay, the object takes the place of subject and subject takes the place of object, and by is added to make it passive. Okay, so now in some sentences we use been with has, have, had. Whenever there is has, have, had in the sentence, we add been to make it passive. Okay, so you might have understood. Okay, suppose there is another sentence, Shirley is watering the plants. Okay, so Shirley is the subject and plants are the object. And how we will make it passive? Plants are watered by Shirley. Okay, plants are watered by Shirley. We add by to make it passive. And in some sentences like Ria is washing clothes, there is a verb in the sentence, that is wash, and there is ing form with the verb, that is washing. Ria is washing clothes. So what we will do? Clothes are being washed by Ria. Whenever there is an ing form with the verb, we put being to make it passive. Clothes are being washed by Ria. Like there is one more sentence, bees make honey. Honey is the object and bees are the subject. Okay, so what will be the passive form of this sentence? Bees make honey. Honey is made by bees. Okay, whenever we change from active to passive, the tense of the sentence gets changed and make becomes made. That is, honey is made by bees. So I hope that you will practice the exercises a lot and you will do all the exercises that have been taught you in active passive in this online video. You will do all the exercises in your English grammar copy and learn all the rules of active passive given in your book, and they will help you a lot. I hope that you understood this chapter, active and passive voice. So students, learn the exercises, do the exercises in your copy and read all the examples and the rules given in your book based on active and passive voice.